Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can sign up for your Top Wars account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign up for your Top Wars account, firstly, go ahead and launch open your Top War application. The home page of Top War application will appear on the screen. Click on profile icon at the top left corner of the page. On the next page, click on account option. You can log into your Top Wars account using your Google, Facebook or Twitter as well. Click on any one of the options. Here I'm gonna go with Google. Choose a Google account and that's how you'll be able to sign up for your Top Wars account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.